Was thinking about some stuff last night as far as with the network marketing business and the affiliate marketing business. Um, and I was thinking about what I had did, the kind of things I had did when I started that really helped me now. So those are some of the things that I did right. But my video is always about how to not make the same mistakes that I made. So the first mistake that I made, I shared in my videos, my video that I did earlier. Um, so this video is really about the next step after you have figured out what systems that you do need. You may find a program or a opportunity that you really like, and you say that you want to promote that. So the next step is that with that traffic, everybody is doing something online. They need traffic. You have to have traffic coming to your site. If you don't have traffic, it's like opening your store in a neighborhood where nobody lives at. So it's so important to have people getting to your site, to your opportunity, to your event, or whatever it is that you might be trying to promote online. So now that you have that figured out, there's quite a few really good traffic sources that I found out through trial and error. And then I got lucky also because one of my great friends and mentor, LJ Aviles, he was able to start his own traffic business, a traffic source, if you might want to say it the right way. Stop, take a breather. He told me time and time again that when you get your traffic, you always need to have a capture page. And that's where I made my mistake. I did not have a capture page. Mouth is getting pretty dry. I don't have no water. There's a lot of water over there. That's not any water that I can drink. So, with the capture page, I never used it. I was like, what I need that for? Just send them straight to my opportunity. Let them see what I got going on. Don't worry about it. He even went ahead and made me a couple of capture pages so I could capture the leads. Now that's what the leads are for. That's what the capture page is for. The capture page is so you can have a place to capture the email address and also the name, maybe the phone number of the person that is trying to get to your opportunity.